Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Arlene de la Cruz Flores. I'm 38 years old. I was born on March 7, 1987. I live in Agamansur, Bagao, Cagayan. I'm a Roman Catholic. My height is 157 cm. My weight is 52 kilogram. I'm married. My husband and I are both farmers. I have two kids, one girl 17 years old and one boy 6 years old. I'm the eldest among the 7 siblings. My father is already gone and my mother is a farmer. I have experience already in working in Hong Kong in the month of August year 2014. They are 4 members in their family. My employer and their husband and the 15 years old girl and elderly woman. My work is taking care of 80 years old and cleaning, washing. I finished my contract in the year of 2016. After a month of December, year 2021, I come in Saudi as a domestic helper. There are 4 members in their family. My employer and her wife and their 2 daughters, 8 years old and 4 years old. My work is taking care 2 daughters, cleaning and washing. I finished my contract in the month of December 28, year 2024 I'm confident to work abroad for a better future of my children, further study. Madam and Sir, this is my second contract working in Hong Kong as a helper. Madam and Sir, I am kind, honest, trustworthy. Especially, I love kids and elderly, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you.